This is Kumar Abhishek from CP01 Tool and Die branch. I am here to present a soft talk on the topic press tool. Here is the content, the main introduction, major operation, press tool component, press tool functions, types of press tool, component, compound progressive die, pilot and its type, step to design, advantage and disadvantage. Introduction. Sheet material is a press working tool are called press tool. Press tool are custom built to produce a component out of sheet material. Press tool operation includes three types of operation. First is cutting operation, which includes blanking, piercing, etc. Second is non-cutting operation like bending, drawing, forming, etc. And third one is hybrid operation like lancing and lowering, etc. Progressive tools are designed for the processing of strip material. Major operation: blanking, piercing, notching, cut off, trimming, lancing, drawing and curling operation. Here is the video of press tool, how it works. Assembly process of press tool. This is a press plate or a bottom plate. This is a pillar, ejector mechanism, die plate, standard screw, this is the punch and back plate, punch plate and punch. This is a 3D model of press tool with all the elements. Now the operation is performing in press tool. Press tool operation. Blanking. When a component is produced with one single punch and die with an entire outer periphery cut is called blanking. Piercing and punching operation. When an opening of any shape is made inside the component profile using a punch, the operation is called piercing or punching. Notching. Notching produces a partial hole in the edge of the parts. Lancing operation. Lancing creates a tab within the parts in which no slux is produced. Cut-off operation. Cut-off operation are those in which a strip of suitable length is to be cut in a single line. It is something like slicing bread into a small pieces using knife. Trimming operation. Trimming operation involves removing a small amount of material from the side of a component is called trimming operation. Types of press tool operation: guide plate tool, compound tool, combination tool, progressive tool, forming tool, assembly tool. Compound versus dies. In compound dies, more than one operation are done simultaneously at one station. Blanking and piercing operation done simultaneously at same station. They are more expensive to build and it is used where considerable accuracy is required in the piece part. Now progressive dies. Progressive tools are those in which cutting operation is performed at a number of stations simultaneously. A complete part is cut off blank at the final station with each stroke of the press. Any problem in middle can be solved between successive stations, preventing wastage of material. Due to multiple stations, working is complex and requires more space. Now the pilots. What is the use of pilot in progressive tool? The pilot positions the stock strip in relation with the die opening. This is termed as registering the stock strip in the required position using the stock strip is overfit than the actual pitch length. Now the function of pilot. Pilot used to control overfeeding and to locate material accurately with respect to punch and die. To prevent buckling of the strip caused by stock. Third, to prevent underfeeding of material in case of mechanical feeding. Fourth, to control the distortion of strip by providing extra support. Now what is direct versus indirect piloting? Direct piloting. Direct piloting consists of piloting hole in pierced in that area of the strip which will becomes the blank. These pilots can be joined by press fitting or fastening method. They are simple pin fitted in the punch of the next station at the location required. Indirect piloting. Indirect piloting consists of piercing hole in the scrap area of the strip and locating these holes at subsequent operation can be done. Their working and actions are same as the direct piloting except location. They are attached with the ram at required action. Now how to design the progressive tool. First decide the optimum scrap strip layout with the width of the strip sequence of operation. Create a rough sketch in sectional evaluation and calculate minimum cutting force. Third, calculate die clearance required for each operation. Fourth, design die block and punches as per standard dies. Fifth, providing arrangement for fixing punches in tool holder. Fifth, provide stock strip, stock guide, stepper pilots, spring for pressure pads and their location in drawing. 7. Prepare a properly dimensioned assembly drawing. And the last one is indicating the step of progressive tool on press machine. How to set up. Advantage. High precision. It gives us high precision, required high productivity, material efficiency, cost effective, less setup time. Disadvantage. Safety hazards, maintenance and repair charges required of skilled operator, not recommended for large size component, risk of mechanical failure, limitation in complexity of part, energy consumption. Thank you.